everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you my kitchen gadgets which I use almost every single day. When me and mom used to go out for shopping, mom always go toward the kitchen section to see what's new out there. And that time I used to ask her that why do you have to go in the kitchen department all the time? And she's like, whenever you have your own kitchen, then you will understand. And yes, definitely, that's what I'm doing now. Whenever we go out for shopping, I always go in the kitchen section to see what's new pots and pans are there or the appliances are there. Because for us, it's so important that we do have the proper tools in order to make the food faster, and they just make our life so much easier. So I'm gonna walk you through, I'm gonna show you all of them, and these are just a few of them because I do have more, but they are not the one that like I use like almost on everyday basis. But these are definitely, I use it almost every single day, and I have some of them from last 10 years. So it's keep going, they are still in a good condition, and you know, it's really good. Some of them is like they are really holding up really good even after that many uses. So I'm gonna walk you through and I'll show you what I have. So let's go ahead and start. So the first one I have here is this Cuisinart hand blender. Now anytime when there is a liquid and you want to make sure there is no lumps in it, that's where you can use this. So for example, if I'm making Gujarati dal, Gujarati curry, like where I have a base and yogurt, water, I want to make sure that I combine everything very well as there is no lumps in it, I use this. Also, if I'm making any shake where I don't want to use my big blender, but I can still make any kind of banana shake or any chocolate shake, anything that I want to do it, I can do it with this also. So it comes with the cup, so I fill that cup with the milk and then add whatever the syrup or anything I'm adding in there, blend it just for a minute or so, make sure everything is well combined, and then as I'm blending it, I pull it slowly so that way it give me really perfect froth at the top. So that way this thing is really good for that. What I have here is this Nutri-Bullet. Now this one I strictly use it for my smoothie and nothing else, because I don't want to have the one blender for the gravy as well as this, because then smell goes and I don't like that. So this one I usually pour the liquid first and then frozen vegetables or the fruits, whatever I'm using, and then blend it. It blends very easily with even with the frozen fruits and vegetables. So really like this one. It also comes with the smaller jar, but most of the time I use this one. Next one I have here is this Black & Decker orange juice maker. Now with the oranges, it's kind of hard for me to make the juice in my other juicer. That's why I bought this. And this one was very actually inexpensive. And you know, it's so easy. All you have to do is just hold it on top like this, and it's just do everything for you. So really like this one. And this juicer as well as the other juicer, I'm sure you must have seen it when I did that 10 days detox, and if you want to see that, I'm gonna link it up here as well as in the description box, so you can see exactly how I'm using it. But this is very easy. So the next one I have here is this Ninja blender. Now it comes with this small one, the medium jar, and the large one. So these blender, I use it if I'm making any kind of gravy, or let's say if I want to chop something like garlic, onions, green chilies, anything that I want to chop like very fine, then I use this one. So this one get used almost every single day. The one I have here is this Breville juicer, and now this juicer I use it every day. And when I start doing the juicing thing, I wasn't sure how long I will do it, also if I will like it or not. So I bought a very inexpensive one, but then I spent the money on this and I really like it. The reason main is because, I don't know the technical word, but this mouth is so wide open. So you can fit the whole apple in there. You don't need to cut them in the pieces, because the other one that I had to cut them in the small piece in order to fit in here. So that's the best and one of the most important thing that I like about this one. So last but not the least is this Premier blender. Now this blender was actually a gift, but they got it from New Jersey. And I use this blender to make the dosa batter or the idli batter. You can also make the chapati atta, puri atta. I haven't made that, but definitely I use this to make the dosa batter. Because with the dosa batter you have to have it very fine consistency, and with the other blender, when I used to make it, I run it for a longer time, and that's where the motor burns out, and I wasn't getting the perfect consistency of it. So that's where I got this, and I will show you how it looks like from inside, because it's totally different than the regular blender. But yes, this is just for the idli batter, dosa batter, and like I say, there is another blade that you can make the other chapati or puri atta, but I haven't done that, and I don't need that, but this is it. I get perfect consistency all the time, and it's so convenient. So I'll show you guys how it looks like inside. So this is how it looks like from inside. As you can see, there is like it's basically a stone, and I just put my rice as well as dal in there and just grind it, and it makes the perfect dosa batter all the time. So this is it, friends. These are my kitchen gadgets which I use it almost every day. I hope you guys have liked this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.